And by the way, when he was not delivering his promise, so this is what people were saying, अगर इनमें इंसाफ होता तो वो दगाबाज और बददियानत कहने के वक्त भी कुछ कहने के वक्त कभी भी सोचते, because people were saying, because they have paid money and they did not receive the book, said you are a deceiver, you are a dishonest person. Take a pause here. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is being labeled all of this before he claimed to be a prophet. Because we have already shown to you in the past, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's own son, second Caliph of Jamaat, Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud, he has made black and white statement that it was 1901 when Mirza Ghulam Qadiani published his book A Galti Ka Izala. This is when he made his claim of prophethood. And all of this is happening in 1893. Which means that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has already got the reputation of a deceiver and a dishonest person before he claimed to be a prophet. You can see this one. And all of these are, the things people were saying to him when he was not delivering the book.